Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I just wanted to share a quick little purchase that I got from Profiles Backstage, one of my favorite companies. I love them. I love their products. Their customer service is awesome. Their shipping is super quick, so highly recommend, and I do have a code for you guys. So real quick, I just wanted to go through some things here. I received this package the other day and I did buy this with my own money, so let's dig in. We all know that the swatch sticks that we purchase usually come in the stiletto, or you can get them in the square coffin shape sometimes, but it's mostly the stiletto and then the short little like square. These are you get a 50-piece oval. So I just thought these were really cool, so I ordered them. And let's see, let me pull this out. So I wanted to get another gel brush, and their packaging is so beautiful. Now I did open this stuff up already because I was working on some nails last night, but this might have a little bit of goop on it, but this is their Gel Pro in a number 8. Really cool gel brush. Really like that. The bristles are so soft. It just makes your gel just glide right on. And speaking of gel, I wanted to try. Now, I'm going to be totally honest, I really don't have a lot of experience working with the hard gels. The builder gels, yes. So I took a chance and I ordered this. It's got goop all over it. I'm sorry, because I was using it last night. It's called Akzents, and you can get it off Profiles Backstage. This is their Pro-Performance Trinity shade in Cool SC1. So it's like a hard gel. And then what I did was I put some tips on last night, my jelly tips, and then I coated them with this just to give them added strength. This is great for natural nails. So it's another option besides builder gel. But I just wanted to try it because there's I've seen plenty of videos. I've seen a lot of people use this with the little swiveling motion. There is instructions on how to use this. I've just been watching YouTube videos and stuff, but I just wanted to give it a try because this stuff is not cheap. And I really like how it just kind of glides on the nail. So if you're interested, take a look at this. It's called the Akzents Trinity shades. So I recommend this if you want to try it out. Get the smaller one. I'm getting into stamping again. So I purchased 2 stamping colors, this beautiful blue and this white. 07, 02, I think are the numbers. I just wanted to try stamping. Got some gold glitter on my nail here. I wanted to give stamping a go again because I never was really that good at it. So I bought a stamping plate as well. Look how cute. I don't know if you can see now. They usually come with a cover on them, and then you just peel it off, and then you just, go about your stamping business. So I thought this was really cool because it has, I don't know if you can see it, but the stars. It's got some clouds, sun, the moon. It's got a Milky Way right here. So I just thought that was so awesome. So I got that. And it has their logo on the back. And of course, their decals are second to none. I absolutely love Profiles Backstage decals. So they called them the pasties. So I got these in little mermaids because I want to do some mermaid looks. How cute is that? And that's it for my little haul. Now, I want to announce the winner of the giveaway that I had. So if your name pops up here, you're the winner. You have 3 days to contact me either via Instagram or email. My email address is right in my bio. And after 3 days, if I don't hear from you, I'm going to pull another name. So good luck, and I will see you guys soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.